हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 1 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 करंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं जिनके आंसर्स आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द नेक्स्ट वाइस चीफ ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी सक्सीडिंग लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल NS Raja Subramani? And the answer is Lieutenant General Puspendra Singh. Second question. Who has been appointed as an ex officio member of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India under Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016? And the answer is Anju Rathi Rana. Third question. Which insurance company has recently onboarded MS Dhoni as both its brand ambassador and strategic investor? And the answer is Echo. Fourth question. When and from where will PM Modi release the 20th installment of the PM Kisan scheme? And the answer is 2nd August from Varanasi. Fifth question. Which major trade action has the US announced on Indian imports starting August 1st? And the answer is 25% tariff and secondary sanctions. Sixth question. Which platform has Australia newly banned for children under 16 as part of its online safety law effective from December 10, 2025? And the answer is YouTube. Seventh question. What happened to Australia's first homegrown rocket, Iris, during its maiden test flight in July 2025? And the answer is crashed 14 seconds after liftoff. Eighth question. Which two countries recently signed an agreement to boost maritime security cooperation, marking the 10th such pact for one nation's coast guard? And the answer is India and UAE. Ninth question. Which Indian naval ship recently arrived in Singapore to participate in the 32nd edition of the Singapore-India Maritime Bilateral Exercise? And the answer is INS Satpura. 10th question. What is the theme for World Hepatitis Day 2025 observed annually on July 28 to raise awareness about liver diseases? And the answer is hepatitis. Let's break it down. 11th question. Recently, UK and which country signed a nuclear-powered submarine partnership and collaboration treaty at Geelong? And the answer is Australia. 12th question. Recently, IGNCA set to host National Symposium on UNESCO recognition of the Gita and Natya Shastra in which city? And the answer is New Delhi, and the full form of IGNCA is the Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts. 13th question. Who launched the book Sustainable Wellness of Students, a Collective Responsibility in Higher Education? And the answer is Pushkar Singh Dhami. 14th question. Recently, National Education Policy 2020 has completed its journey of 5 years. On which date this policy was introduced? And the answer is 29 July 2020. 15th question. In which district of Rajasthan the first Indus Valley settlement in the third desert region, that is Radhia Dehri, been discovered? And the answer is Jaisalmer. 16th question. Which state has declared August 7th Dr. M.S. Swaminathan's birth anniversary as Sustainable Agriculture Day? And the answer is Maharashtra. 17th question. Which country has Typhoon Komi affected? And the answer is China. 18th question. The Setu Bandha Scholar Scheme has been launched by whom? And the answer is Ministry of Education. 19th question. The New York Declaration calling for an end to the Palestinian-Israeli conflict has been launched by whom? And the answer is United States. 20th question. T.N. Manoharan passed away. He is related to which field? And the answer is finance. 21st question. World Wide Web Day is observed every year on? And the answer is 1st August. 22nd question. In India, National Mountain Climbing Day is observed every year on? And the answer is August 1st. 23rd question. Which team has recently won the Dr. B.C. Roy Trophy? And the correct answer is Manipur. 24th question. By when will the Indian Air Force retire the MiG-21 fighter jets? And the answer is September 2025. And the last 25th question. Where will the new base INS Jatayu of the Indian Navy be established? And the correct answer is Lakshadweep. तो ये थे 1 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, विच लेजेंडरी फिल्म मेकर इज बीइंग ऑनर्ड एट द इंडियन फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ मेलबोर्न ऑन हिज बर्थ सेंटिनरी? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, which day will Maharashtra observed annually as Sustainable Agriculture Day in honor of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan? Third question, the state of food and nutrition in the world 2025 report is released by whom? Fourth question, foot and mouth disease that was recently seen in news is caused by which agent? And the last fifth question, recently from where NASA and ISRO joint Project Nisar मिशन हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड। तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको कमेंट करके बताना है।